Ayoko maging partner ka.
Ayoko rin namang naging kapartner ka, Calix.
Kung matalo tayo dito,
Baliw ka nagkakalit!
this is on you.
Sa tingin mo ba gusto ko maging kapartner yung katulad mong self-centered, narcissistic, annoying at entitled?
I don't like Angel and I can never like her.
For just a chance
Saan ka ba kasi pupunta?
to win your heart, you could set the bar.
Ano na naman bang pinaplano mo?
Gusto ko lang makipag-usap.
I'll do anything,
It's not my intention to hurt you.
anything you ask me.
You know what? This is all your fault. Dapat, hindi ikaw naging partner ko.
Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly.
Pero,
Ain't a mountain you could
Pero-
point to. I'm
Ano ba gusto mo marinig?
as crazy,
Mag-sorry ako sa'yo?
but it's true.
Why would I say sorry?
Nothing I won't
Angel.
do.
sorry.
I'd risk it
Angel, I'm really sorry.
all for you.
I'm sorry, Angel.
To hold your hand and call you mine. I'm trying to be your man to the
Angel.
end of time.
I know I'm a bad person.
Do anything,
Sana naman makita mo na there's more to me
anything you
and all the stupid things I've done.
I would
Ayun, may nagbayad na.
run through a fire just to be by your side.
Real Calix? Why are you helping our nemesis?
You could tell
Don't tell me.
it's crazy, but
You're in love.
it's nothing.
Iba na talaga tama mo no, Angel.
I'd risk it all for you.
You're in love.
Ninja,
I would swear
may gusto pa akong sabihin sa'yo.
just to show
Tungkol
you.
sa nararamdaman ko.
Sacrifice my life. To prove that you belong.
3 tickets to Boracay?
Saan naman po galing? Alam mo, papasok na ako sa loob.
Wait! Mahinig ka muna sa akin. Kinakausap mo na ako. So I guess...
Mr. Moon Travel and Tours.
Mr. Moon? Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko, Calix. All this time, ikaw si Mr. Moon?
Say you want the moon. Watch me out.
Napatawad mo na ba ako?
Ain't a mountain you could point to. I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all.